for those who have worked in the multicultural media space for over 30 years. And it is an honour to recognise our winner for their devotion to multicultural media. Minister, will you please tell us the winner of the Lifetime Achievement Award?
The winner of the Lifetime Achievement Award is Syed Atiq Hassan.
Syed writes editorials, media reports and opinion articles on Australian multiculturalism, human rights and domestic political issues. His reports and articles are published in mainstream media outlets in Australia and abroad. Syed migrated from Pakistan to Australia with his wife and children in 1989. He has actively engaged in multicultural community work, particularly in ethnic media, since his arrival. Thank you, Syed, and let's give him another huge